Use of or in English.
Pebbles Kids Learning.
We are students. They are beggars. We are honest. They are friends. We are happy. You are beautiful. We are passengers.
You are a stranger to me.
They are teachers. You are a boy. You are a girl. You are very kind. You are so funny. You are very happy. They are playing cricket. People are praying. They are talking. The birds are freely flying. People are celebrating. Dancers are dancing. They are musicians.
Pebbles Kids Learning.